Guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make money blogging with Google AdSense, and if you follow the exact steps that I'm about to show you, I can guarantee that you will make money from blogging. Alright, so the first step is now the platform. You can choose Blogger or WordPress. Now in this video we're going to focus on free method. That means you don't need to spend any money on it. Okay, and then we'll talk about that in a minute, in which platform is better, Blogger or WordPress. Now the first, let's get into the free method. So alright, so the first thing is you just need a Gmail account. Now everybody have a Gmail account, so it's not a big deal. So uh, now the important thing is that you need to have the best email ID that you have. You should not use any random email ID, because once you apply for the Google AdSense, then it will be a big problem. So alright, so the first thing is Gmail account, and the second thing is the platform. Now the platform is blogger.com. I'm going to show you in a minute. Just go to Google and then type in blogger.com. And this is the platform by Google, and all you have to do is sign up with your Google Gmail ID. I already have one, so I'm just gonna. And in the next thing is you need to choose a niche that you're interested in. So like, you can't just go and pick any niche that you want, because sometimes you just get lost. What should I write? I don't get the content. Like, maybe you might write 3 to 4 article, and then you're like, I can't write any more article. I don't have any content ideas. So the best thing is choose one niche that you're interested in. So you can pick from three, like health, wealth, and relationship. Pick one, and then the next thing we're going to do is, now once you sign into the blogger.com, you might see a tab like create a blog. I'm just gonna choose new blog, since I have a few blogs already I have created inside my blogger.com. I'm just gonna new blog, and then I'm just gonna type this, and then choose a best domain. Domain do play a good part. Now we can get a custom domain from GoDaddy or Bluehost, or A2 hosting, anything that is good for you. Now this is a free domain by Google, so you can choose anything from here. So I just took one, and it's available. So once you click on the create a blog, then the next thing is choose a theme. Now Blogger offers cool themes for you. So all you have to do is just click on theme here, and then choose one from here. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. Just go down and click apply. Alright, it's applied. Now the next thing, which is very important thing, is make pages. Which means like contact page, about us page, privacy policy, disclaimer, and now it's very important to create DMCA page. So if you don't know about them, all you have to do is, now I'm gonna go to one website. But okay, I'm gonna show you my website. All right. Now this website was built in WordPress, but you can just come here and check out the about us page and privacy policy. Now this is the website that I built in WordPress. Okay, and then if you check here, you can see privacy policy, contact us, and about us. So you can come here, you can copy and change, then make changes according to your. You just need to change the URL. Okay, where I have given my URL, just change it to yours, and that's it. So now let's see how to create them in blogger.com. So all you have to do is come to pages. Okay, click pages, and then click on new page, and then give a title about us, and then you can just come to my website and copy exactly this one and make changes accordingly. So I'm just gonna leave it like this, and then I'm gonna publish it. and then all you have to do is repeat the same process and create all the pages accordingly. So now we have created the blogger account, the domain, the theme, and the five, and then the pages which are important: contact us, about us, and privacy policy, disclaimer, and DFC. Now the next thing is publishing post. So for that you need to come here and then click new post. And before applying for Google AdSense, you must write 10 articles, and these articles must be uh, between 500 to 700 words each. So Google need content, and which means if your content is big, around 1000 to 2000 words, then the chances of getting approval is like it's very high. The more content you have, and the structure of the website, like the navigation of the website, when a visitor comes to a website, it must be easy for the visitor to come. Like especially you need to create a menu bar like this. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. It's easy. And then create an article, and it must be around 500 to 700 words before applying to the Google AdSense. And the next thing, now we have created the 10 posts, which is around 400 700. The next thing is we need to send traffic. Now in the beginning we won't get any traffic. Now I'm going to show you how much traffic I have generated for this one. This is a job website page, website that I built when I was searching for jobs, and I have like made decent amount from this through Google AdSense. So in the beginning we won't get any traffic. So what I did was I shared in my Facebook profile. I went and joined in Facebook groups which are related to job, which are based on the GCC jobs, Dubai jobs, and all those groups, and then joined in Telegram groups, Facebook groups, and WhatsApp groups which are related to this jobs. Now you can go and join if your niche is on football or news, or let's say it's related to marketing, affiliate marketing. You can join those groups and share articles, and then people will come and okay, and the next you can share there, and then people will come and visit your blog. Now the best thing, which I think still where I was getting, now let's check my blog traffic. Still my blog is getting traffic, pretty decent traffic from Quora. So you just need to go to Quora.com and then answer few questions, and then you will be getting traffic from the for pretty decent time. Now I had a custom domain for this blog, but I just don't work anymore on this website, so I didn't renew it. Let me just show with you the stats. And it's all from the social media platform. See, it had almost 87,439 all-time views, and today it had 9. But this is only because the domain which just is not working. If I change the domain, like inside the Quora and then other social media, to this one, to the current domain, which is the blog domain, it's gonna get the pretty decent amount of view. Same as like I used to get like 4,000 views. Now my domain is just got expired, so yeah, I don't get any more traffic from those websites. So yeah, the best thing is just share to social media posts, and then you will get it pretty decent and traffic. So let's do a recap. So the first thing is create a Gmail account, pick a niche, and then create, if you want, get a domain from any GoDaddy or Bluehost, anything that you like. And then I think currently there is a huge discount going on with A2 hosting. I'm going to leave the link in the description. Check that out. Or you just go to the freeblogger.com, the domain, whichever you get, and then pick a theme, and then create the important pages, which is contact us, about us, and the disclaimer page. And then the next thing is publish 10 posts, which is from 500 to 700 words, and then just send traffic to it. Make sure you get at least 500 to 1000 traffic. If not, you don't get discouraged if you didn't get even 500. Just make sure that traffic is coming to your blog, and then be consistent, repeat the process, and after you have almost 10 posts, then you can easily apply for the Google AdSense program. So we're just gonna go to the older one. Then you can see put in here earnings. Click here. No, test. Yeah. Okay. Then once you now once you have qualified for the Google AdSense, it will automatically show here to apply for the Google AdSense, and be patient. You just don't have. You just need patience. You just keep writing articles, be consistent, and then you will make money with Google AdSense. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're gonna post more videos on it. We're gonna talk more about affiliate marketing. Now this is what I did in the beginning, coming to the online field, doing online, trying to make money online, and then I eventually moved into affiliate marketing because it was pretty easy to make money faster than Google AdSense. So, but Google AdSense can be a better option if you want to just get started and make money. It will bring in money, passive income, even if you have the seeds. If you have planned the seeds correctly, like you have your links everywhere on the internet, the traffic is coming to your blog, and you're getting free money from Google AdSense. So yeah, that's it. So make sure you try those things which I just shared with you. If you want to rewatch it, then please watch it again. I can guarantee you will get results. And thank you so much. Bye bye.